Right, so this is probably the weirdest home server you'll see today. So, a bit of context. A few weeks ago, I picked up this little Dell PC from a local computer shop. Shout out to Airedale Computers. And it was a staggering 40 quid. So I bought it. It came with monitor, keyboard, mouse, cables, pretty much everything I needed to get it going. Now, most people would probably stick to a home server rack or cabinet. I didn't. I put mine on a red trolley from IKEA. And honestly, I kinda love it. At the moment, it's running Home Assistant and it's helping me learn about self-hosting, networking and home labs. But this isn't really about what it is today. It's about what it could be. My plan is to slowly turn this little Dell into the brain of my house. So that includes Home Assistant, Jellyfin, smart home automations, camera recording, and maybe some other things that I might reveal in the future. But all this running on one machine. And the best part is, I'm doing it on a massive budget. I'm not using top of the line gear, expensive rack, crazy hardware, just a second-hand Dell, a trolley, and a hell of a lot of curiosity. I know it's not like the prettiest setup in the world, but every project starts somewhere. And this is where TechDad starts.